how to add signature in Zoho CRM. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in Zoho CRM. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to the Zoho CRM official website and log in using your Google account for a quick and secure sign-in. Once you're in the dashboard, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Email to access the email settings. Now, click on Add New Signature. This is where the magic begins. In the editor, type your name, position, contact details, and anything else you want in your email signature. You can also upload your company logo or use formatting options to make it look professional and clean. Try to keep your signature simple. Too much information can make it look cluttered. Once you're happy with the design, click Save. Your new signature will now be attached to every email you send from Zoho CRM. And that's it. You've just added a professional signature that reflects your brand identity. That's all for the video.